There's 2 vehicles. All that's left from the house that exploded right in front of the fire truck. To the right, you can see some heavy machinery trying to help clean up. If you keep going right, you can see all the debris on all the rooftops on other people's garages, 3 or 4 houses down. That house there is to the left of the house that actually exploded. It's destroyed. And you can see even another house down, all the windows are broken out and the garage is busted out.
Something's on fire over there.
And then way off to the right, you can see fire trucks spraying water on something. Can't really tell what it is. Possibly rooftop or pieces of the explosion.
Or the whole house.